There's a hinterland here of over 1 million people, right into Slovenia. But like you look at Ljubljana Airport, which is owned by the Germans, which is owned by Fraport, and what they're doing is they're controlling traffic and pushing prices up. That will never increase traffic. And the people who benefit from increased traffic at lower prices are ordinary Italians, ordinary Slovenians, who should have access to that travel. And they're not getting it in Slovenia, which is why they're coming to Trieste.
And talking about the region, Friuli Venezia Giuli, are you proud to have all these roots here in Trieste? Are you going to spend some time here?
Yeah, I mean, like Italy is one of my favorite destinations. And it was a place that I was here many years ago. And there's obviously that link with James Joyce as well from Ireland. And, you know, it's a little bit mysterious, Trieste, of like its history and, you know, the various different times it changed nationality. But I get a real sense in Trieste that it's not about Italy, it's about the whole region. You know, it's about Slovenia, you know, it's about the region here, it's about Austria, southern Austria as well. And that's kind of unique. You don't see that in many other regions in Europe where people embrace an entire region that cuts across several countries. And that's something that I take out of here every time I come here. But it's the most...
And is that an actual possibility to do this all over Italy? Or?
I think so, because it makes so much sense. Because Ryanair is providing essentially free infrastructure. Like, it's the equivalent of building a bridge or providing a railway or providing a roadway, and we're doing that for free. And we should be encouraged, as other airlines are, to make those investments. And everybody here knows, you know, it's the people who own the hotels, the people who want to see their children in different universities or go to medical appointments or to see friends in other parts of Italy as well. It makes so much sense to have low-cost travel. Low-cost travel is a commodity. It's a commodity to get people and connectivity. And we can provide that. We've got the aircraft. We need the right partnerships. We have it here in Trieste. And I think we'll have it right across. Like, what we have in Italy is a municipal tax that does nothing for localities. It is a drag on investment. It is the only variable cost that Ryanair has. That money goes straight to IMSS. It doesn't do anything for the region. So when that's removed, which is about 1,200 euros for that flight taking off, that makes us more competitive, because Trieste is not competing with Venice necessarily, it's competing with every other airport in Europe, because Ryanair has the capacity and decides to allocate that capacity. Now that tax has gone in Trieste, you saw we've invested. And the study in Milan University, they concluded that if you did this right across Italy, an extra 9 million visitors, an extra 65,000 jobs, and an extra 4.2 billion euros in GDP, because